here's a closer look at that lithium atom. Let's see, it had 3 protons and 4 neutrons, and it had 3 electrons flying around. And if we're going to talk about charge, we need to figure out what is the total charge. Well, it obeys superposition, which is just a fancy physics way of saying add it all together. Right? So the total charge really is just the sum of all positive and negative charge. So if I wanted to know the total charge on this atom, I would just say, well, it's 3 protons, so 3 times plus 1 E plus 4 neutrons times, oh, but 0 E plus 3 electrons, 3 times minus 1 E. And I would add it up together. That's 3E plus 0 minus 3E equals 0. So sure enough, the charge on an atom in its natural neutral state is 0. It's neutral, just like it should be, right? Just by adding up the charge. Right? The math will get harder, I promise. Now, we want to think about something that's not neutral, that has charge. Something bad has to happen to this lithium atom. Something horrible. Let's say it is to lose an electron. I don't know how. I don't even want to ask. Who knows? Let's just say it loses an electron. P, 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 N, 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 E, E, and that's all. It looks horrible. Well, let's add it up real quick. 3 times plus 1 E plus 4 still times 0 E plus only 2 times minus 1 E. Now, of course, we don't have enough negative charge to balance the positive charge, so we end up with something that is charged plus 1 E, plus 1. So it's a lithium ion. And its charge is plus 1 E because it's missing one of its electrons. You can have a lot of different kinds of ions. You don't just have to lose an electron. Maybe something really weird could happen. You could gain 2 electrons, say. Oh my goodness. P, 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 N, 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 E, 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 E. Now it's a mess of electrons. And we could add it up. 3 times plus 1 E plus 4 times 0 E plus, now we gained 2 electrons. That took us up to 5 plus 5 times minus 2 E. And we'll get, 5 times minus 1 E. And we'll get a charge that's negative. We'll get minus 2E for the total charge. So you can see this is really just trivial addition. This would be a lithium ion, and usually it'd be written like this: lithium, chemical symbol for lithium, 2 minus, because its charge is minus 2. So atoms can become charged at the microscopic scale. They do so by becoming ions. Molecules can also become charged. I could draw any molecule you want here, and it's certainly possible, and it certainly happens, for that molecule to become charged. Sometimes its natural state, just when it's hydrated in water, is that it becomes charged. Things fall off of it in water. They would rather be in the water than stuck to the molecule, and they become charged. So this is how things become charged on the macroscopic scale.